Test, 1, 2, 3. Test, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to the morning. AMC is looking very solid, up already 1.8%, testing that $50 resistance level. So again, let's be very crucial at this specific price point. All right, let's see what we got going on. I'm gonna get both of my accounts ready, just making sure that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Pulling back a little bit. Still up 1% on the day, so I have a pretty light position, as I told you guys or talked about yesterday. Happy that I was able to have a light position, right? Because I wasn't able to predict how today was going to perform. So this allows me to kind of like take every day as a new opportunity and start every day almost fresh, right? I still had my $37,000 position in it with my 750 shares, but yes, I did not have a very, very aggressive position right into this. So, alrighty, looks like we're testing SMA line as a potential support level. Here we go, testing. Buy 100 more. There it goes, still pulling back. I'm gonna reduce it from 100 to 50. I'll buy in 50 share increments. We're at 49.16. Let's see, let's wait out for it. Watch for a potential pullback. There it goes, dropping. How are we all doing today? You guys feeling good? Looking good? All right, we got Robinhood up about 0.25%. PTON is absolutely killing it. Look at that. Yesterday, I added more to my PTON position, as you guys can imagine as well. Not just the additional $10,000, but I added even more beyond that. We are approaching this SMA line where I see there to be a potential resistance level. But just in 2 days of trading, right? In 2 days, from overall lows to current highs, over 13%. That's very impressive, right? For a solid company. I was very impressed by it. So here we go. And rejected. Alrighty. Cool. Feeling good, looking good. Always say it. You have to say it, right? You can't just say, "Oh, I'm feeling good." You're like, feeling good, looking good. Water. Here we go. Oh, looks like we might be getting rejected. Testing support level here. Oh, nice little push. I like that. Indicating signs of an uptrend. I like that. Here we go. There we go. Really nice push. That's what we like to see. I'm going to transition from buying to selling. Ooh. There we go. Testing, testing. Watch out for the breakout at $50 a share. Watch out for the resistance level at $50 a share. This is a difficult territory because we're approaching a resistance level, but we're also approaching a potential breakout. So you have to weigh out. There it goes. Momentum's actually looking really good. Can we break out above $50 a share? Are we going to catch this? Are we going to catch the breakout? Because if we break out, again, this is, oh, there it goes, $50 a share. $50 freaking dollars a share. It touched $50. Let's see if we go above that. See it, let's see it. Let's add some more buying pressure. Look at that. Ooh! Breakout above 50. 50-50 right away. 50-64. Pushing. We are cooking. There it goes. We are trading above $50 a share. This was a resistance level we have not been able to break above for the past couple of months. Again, it's up to you guys on how it is that you want to approach it moving on from here. If it's breaking out and you want to continue to partake in it, all power to you. If you want to lock in profits, understand that it could pull back. I want to weigh out. I want you to understand both of your options. It's exciting, but again, it's risky. Make sure you take into consideration not just the best case scenario, but the worst case scenario. $2,000 on the day on the Webull platform. Not too shabby. Let's freaking go. Here it goes. Still pushing. Can we break above 50-80? 50-80? 50-79. Oh, there it goes. Pulling back. Let's see. 50. Look at that. Look at that momentum. Look at that volume right now. That is what a breakout is. I love it. I love seeing it. Absolutely love it. There it goes. Pulling on back. Makes sense. Let's get these order ready, right? We can't predict the overall peak, but let's see if we can prepare for a pretty exit, right? We can't predict the perfect exit at the overall highs, right? That's impossible to do it all the time. Let's get that out of our head. But where would it make sense? You know, where do we want to reduce potentially our position size? Alrighty. Here we go. Testing. Do you see that? Testing 50. Where is that? 50-39. Here it goes. Testing support level. Woo! Alright. I know you guys probably won't agree with this, but I am going to sell. Oh, easy. 250. If it breaks below that EMA line, I'll have it ready. It's testing. Look at that. Look at that freaking beauty. All right. I'm actually not going to hesitate. And I'll get another order ready if we break below that, just so I can get back down to my 750 shares. There it goes. It broke below it. We have to stay true to it, right? We got to stay true to it. So broke below it. Here comes a pullback. Watch out for the potential support. Now we'll see. $50 used to be an old resistance level. We'll see if it validates itself as a new support level. That'd be interesting, right? It'd be interesting to see if we actually begin to now hold above $50 a share. That would be a huge milestone for AMC. It's like how it established its new support level at 30. But if you guys remember looking back at AMC, there used to be a resistance level at like $20 or $30 a share, but now it's a support level, right? It's crazy how this all works out, but I like it. There it goes. I'm back to the same position size that I started with the day, right? So I added 500 shares to my position, but now I'm right back at 37,000. So if it pulls on back, then guess what? I did my part, buying the lows, selling the highs, and I locked in profits when it made sense, and I keep enough skin in the game that it made sense to me. 3%. I gotta give it to myself. That 3% trade, that was pretty dope. That was pretty dope. There it goes. And it's still pushing. This is why we still keep some skin in the game, right? So not just for best case scenario, but also if it pulls on back, it's something that I can tolerate, right? I've been bullish on AMC, so I'm okay with it. Even if it does pull back a little bit, it's like I want to have enough money or enough skin in the game that I feel motivated to take it seriously and follow up with it, but not so much that if it pulls on back, right, that I become an emotional mess. You need to find that balance for you. It's much easier said than done, but you will find it out, right? Like if you're trading with $1,000, being in with $1,000 might be difficult. Holy moly. PTON. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. There we frickin' go. PTON is ripping and dipping. I'm up $5,000 on my position on PTON that I bought 2 days ago. I didn't even buy a crazy amount. I've added more to it though. I will say that. But I started off with only 100 shares. And it's PTON, right? So watch out. Let's see if it loses its momentum. It's definitely possible. It would suck. And I do agree with that, right? Imagine all this time. We work our way up to $50 to just hit $50 and then break right below. It would suck, but we have to understand, it is realistic. It definitely can pull back. Once again, it can crash. This could just be the resistance level. Just understand that. Understand your position size, understand what can happen, not what you hope happens, right? Look at that. Oh, PTON, you dirty dog. SBUX also in the green. We got Urban Outfitters barely in the green, but PTON is my big position on the day. It's actually up more than AMC is today. Look at that. It is. Look, 4.5%, 4.2%. Oh, there it goes. AMC beginning to push once again. But it is. It's up more. And yeah, it's cool to see. PTON is it testing it already? Oh, thank you for that. I wasn't even looking at it on the 4-hour time frame right now. There we frickin' go. I love it. What a swing trade. Guys, I don't have swing trades like this. I never buy the dip perfectly. You guys watch all my videos. You guys more than anyone else. Learn Plan Profit watches my videos all the time. I never buy the dip and then it blows up. So this is like, you remember, I tell you this all the time. The reason I am so careful now is because I know I don't get lucky with these trades, in the sense that, like, more often than not, when I choose to buy, the stock still sells off, which is why I buy lightly. When I choose to sell, be honest, right? You guys have seen my live trading videos. When I sell, sometimes the stock continues to break out even after that. It's like, and because of my bad luck with trading in that sense, it has encouraged me and empowered me to be more selective, to be more calculated. And I like that, because if I always got lucky, then yeah, I'd be a little bit more loose with my buying. If I always sold at the perfect time, then yeah, I might be a little bit like more careless with my exits. But I'm not like that, because that's not how it plays out for me at all, ever. Alrighty. We are testing that resistance level. Here we go. Testing 1593. I'm going to sell in 100 share increments. Come on, boy. Look at that, 4.45%, 4.95%. We are freaking ripping. Have no fear, PTON is here. Oh! Watch for the pullback. And you guys have to understand the position that I'm in right now, right? And the reason I say I only have 750 shares is I normally have a lot more. But like right now I'm kind of like indifferent, right? And this is what I mean by having a good balance. I'm indifferent in the sense that like I'm not super eager to sell my position. I don't have much more to sell, right? If I sell at 700 or at 100 share increments or 250 share increments, you know, I'm 2 to 3 trades away from being completely out of AMC. So I'm not in a rush to sell by any means, not at all. Here we go, $51 a share, but I'm also not against AMC pulling back, you know, because I have such a light position. I would love to buy more. I'd love to buy the dip. You get what I mean? And ask yourself, do you ever feel like you're well balanced enough to have that reaction? If so, great. If not, then, you know, then maybe work on that well balanced position size. Look at that. Look at that. We're up 4.8%. PTON. Ooh, AMC just took over on the day. It's up more. Let's see. Oh, PTON's like, hold my hat. There it goes. 5%, 4.78%. What a freaking day. Oh, man. Oop, testing. Watch out for the pullback. There it goes. Look at that. And it's aggressive. Do you guys see how quick it moves? Do you see how quick it moves? Careful. This is, I mean, the best way for me to put it on how it is right now is everything is great until it's not. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Tell me you do not know what I'm talking about by me just saying that. Everything is great until it's not. If all you're doing is sitting on your hands and you have no plan, you have no exit, you're not reducing, you're not locking in profits, everything is great until it's not. Tell me that is not true. Tell me that is not true. We've all been in that position where everything is great, we do nothing about it because we want it to continue to go up, and then it pulls back. And then we're like, whoa, I just wanted to go back to what it was before, I'll just sell there. I'm fine with that now. But now you've settled because now you've seen what actually happens, right? Don't prepare to settle, prepare to take action before, you know, you hope something happens. Oh, here we go. There's a resistance level at $51. You guys see that? Volume is slowly coming down. There it goes, 50, 70. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback. That alone was 1%. That was 1%, that pullback. Look at that, still pulling back, still pulling back. A lot of selling pressure. Everything is great until it's not. Most stocks that are hyped up. Now let's be honest. AMC is, where's the crown for that category, right? AMC wears the crown for most stocks that are hyped up. Most stocks that are like this, they take the stairs up and the window out. Does that make sense? They take time for them to push up in price, and they take the elevator or the window out, meaning that they just drop straight down, right? Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, man. Here it goes. $1.59. I like it. Keep it light, keep it tight. Watch out. PTON, you dirty dog. Oh my goodness. Love it. I love it. Freaking love it. I think I might have to sell a portion of my position. It's so overbought. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD. I mean, it's bullish. Don't get me wrong, but what is this? 2 days in a row? It found a support level. Thursday, it gapped up. Gapped up like, what did it do? 10% yesterday? Nearly 10%? Yeah, something like that. And then today, it's like, dude, chill out. Homeboy, chill out. Here we go. Testing for support level. Makes sense. Let's see if it holds, right? It definitely does not have to. Watch for the break below EMA. Break below EMA. Do you see that price point that we're holding? Trying to hold above? $50 a share. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Holy smoke. Watch out with the resistance, watch out. Let's see, can we get some higher highs? Higher highs, nope, pulling on back. Let's see, higher highs, 50, 65. 50, 65. You really gonna let PTON? Do you like that AMC? You're only up 4%. PTON's up 5.25%. Psh. Psh. Market cap for AMC 25 billion. PTON 33.8 billion. Really? AMC? Thought you were better than this. Thought you were better than this. Alright, how are we looking on the different time frames? Okay, look at the 5-minute time frame. You guys see that? Looking a little bit overbought, looking like it's ready for a pullback. RSI, MACD, almost everything is pointing down now, right? Unless the price action and the momentum continues, everything is pointing down. 5-minute time frame, MACD, RSI, everything losing its volume. Look at that, 50.23. Oh man, oh man, oh man. We're gonna get a flash crash. Watch out for it. Watch out for it. Big sell order. That had to be one of the biggest selling orders. Look at that. So look at that. Watch out. Testing support. Testing support. Let's see. Careful. There we go. PTON. Was it overall markets that pulled on back? No. What did I see? No. Nope. We're good. Back at 5%. We're good. AMC testing. There it goes, testing $50 a share. Breakout for the reversal. Let's see. I like it. Look at that, testing, testing, testing. Watch for the resistance or the break above, right? There it goes, resistance met. I like it. I like these pullbacks. It keeps it real, right? It keeps it real. Like with these pullbacks, make you realize that it's like not that easy, that you do have to be selective, that you do have to watch that position size. Think about it. That's what these pullbacks are. They remind you that it's like, it's not just always going to go according to plan. These are aggressive pullbacks. You know, it challenges you. Empower it. Don't get mad. Don't get emotional. If you're emotional, it's because you're trading with it too much. That's that simple. Stop trying to nickel and dime an opportunity. If you know that it's an opportunity, implement structure. What support range? What resistance range? Where do I reduce position size? Both good and bad, right? You guys got this. You guys do. But don't think about the money. Focus on the opportunity. Is the opportunity still there? Is it still bullish? Is it pulling back? What do I need to wait for? Should I reduce here? Should I be careful? Are we at a critical point? All that stuff. All questions you guys should be asking yourselves. Right? What if it breaks below SMA? Well, why not talk about it? Why are you scared to talk about it? What if you think if you say it out loud, it might happen? Trust me, you don't need to say it out loud for it to potentially happen. And I love seeing it break out. Like, let's be honest. It's a beautiful thing. I hope that you guys know that I'm not trying to be hard on you. Nothing like that. I am trying to be hard on you. I'll take that back. I am. PTON just broke above $113 a share. Just imagine you just get into trading. I'm using this as an example. And you buy the dip how I did on PTON, right? And then it just shoots up. You're going to think trading is easy, right? You're going to be, oh, dude, I can do this all day. I can do this all day. For those that have been trading for a while, we all know that it's not always like this. How many of you guys follow me on Instagram? Do you guys see the post that I shared yesterday? Every single time I have found it within myself that every single time that I share a very attractive green day, I have to follow it up with a realistic post. And what I mean by that is something that brings you back to earth. And it's with the saying and the mindset that on my green days, I prepare for my red days. And on my red days, I prepare for my green days. It is so important to understand that you should congratulate yourself when you have a successful trade. But you should understand that trading in the stock market, it does not matter how much you made yesterday. It does not matter how much you made last week. It does not matter what you made last month. It does not matter what you made last year. every single opportunity is an independent opportunity that presents its own challenges. It doesn't care who you are. It doesn't matter what you do in that sense, but how it is that you choose to take advantage of it. It is so important for you to understand that. And once you get emotional, or if you get too excited, or if you get too confident, or you get too greedy, too much of anything is bad. And we all know that. But I'm going to leave it at that. AMC is looking good. We're up 3.7% on the day. I'm up nearly $2,000 on my Webull account. I am trading AMC while I'm with you guys on my, every single time that you guys saw me buy AMC with my Webull account, I bought it with my Fidelity account. I trade a lot more with my Fidelity account. So you can kind of guesstimate how much it is that I'm up. I'll share it with you guys in just a little bit. But I'm going to do something about PTON. I think I'm going to lock in half of my position. I think I should. I really do. So I'm excited. I'm very thankful. I do have, just a little heads up for you guys, I do have $100,000 invested in PTON. So you can see why I'm very excited with a swing trade that started off just 2 days ago with $10,000. And it, when the opportunity presents itself, you need to know when to step on the gas. And I've been so fortunate for at least, the past couple of days. I bought at $97. I added more as it broke above 100, and I bought more as it indicated signs of an uptrend. I even bought more today. I love it. It's not that I had $100,000 from the very beginning and I wrote it up. It's not about that, but it's exciting. Let's see where we go today. Keep it light, keep it tight, stay calculated. That's all I want to leave you with. Stay calculated. Have a reason for everything that you choose to do or not do. Think about that. I want you to be calculated for every decision and action you choose to make and every action you choose to not make. And what I mean by that is, if you choose to not lock in profits, I don't need you to justify it to me. I need you to remind yourself that it needs to make sense for your future self. Think about your future self. Think about the type of trader you would be a year from now. He's a more elite trader. She's a more elite trader, right? Think about that. As you're going to do what it is that you're doing today, explain it to your future self why you're doing it. And would they say that that's the proper decision to make? Just have a reason behind everything that you choose to do or not do. I appreciate you guys' time. I hope and wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. If you're new to the team, if you're new to the Learn, Plan, Profit team, feel free to message me via Discord. I'd love for you to kind of just quickly introduce yourself, your goals, what your focus is, and how you think I can be of value for you. Friendly reminder, if you guys want anything from the Shop TechBuds site, it's the third link in the description. You get 20% off your entire order. I've seen some of your guys' trading setups. It's great to see that some of you guys have our aluminum art, some of the mouse pads, the flags. You guys get 20% off everything. We are going to be dropping a new collection over the weekend. You guys can check that out. But nonetheless, again, flags start at $19. Feel free to check out anything on the site. 20% off. Promo code LPP. Please do not forget to use the promo code. I will not give you a discount after if you forget to do so. Any mouse pad, they're 35 inches by 15 inches. They're absolute massive. They're like desk pads. We got the aluminum art, and then we got the flags. So again, shoptechbuds.com, promo code LPP at checkout. Don't forget. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year